Welcome back, gang. It is a Saturday, so sorry for the apparel. I'm just wearing a singlet today, but I've done a little bit more on this tinny, so let's have a look. Alright, so I've tacked the floor in. You would have just seen. I've got this running up the center. That's my tub. So it's going to be obviously a hatch through the middle here when I'm finished. I'll put a bung in the bottom there so it's got a drain. I'm just going to put my oars and possibly like a yabby pump or something in there. It's all 2 mil, so it's nice and light. Probably wouldn't even be 5 kilos there I've added. So yeah, the next step will be, I'm not going to weld this out yet. I'm going to get everything tacked in, then I'll go through and weld it all out. But that's all tacked in. Yeah, basically the next step is we're going to put a raised deck in here that'll come through to this section here and allow us to still put gear in the front. But yeah, gang, that's it. Thanks for watching another episode, and stay tuned. I'll be back for some more. Cheers.